Someone wanted a close-up of the bow, or all my bows, but I'll just do this one today. This is a custom Kodiak takedown. That's my string. As you can see, these ends right here, that's just Velcro. You can get that at Walmart. They're the limb dampeners. They do help quiet everything down. I don't like putting quivers on my bows. They are silencer strips. Once again, to help quiet the bow. Beautiful tips. Beautiful tips. It does have a little compass on there, but hey, you know what? The compass doesn't work. I do use the bear hair and the side plate from Bear. As you see, this bow has been through it a little bit. So I use it, take it into woods, and hunt with it. Yeah, they're the brass screws for the quiver, but I don't use that. Beautiful medallion. Love it. God bless each and every one of you.